Okay, welcome to Kemble's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at UTME mathematics gotten from 2025 questions. Now this topic is on permutations. Okay, find the number of permutations of the letters of the word school. The letters of the word school. School. Okay, now one theorem that is used to solve permutation is called the factorial. The factorial. Now factorial is all about multiplying a certain number down to 1. So for example, 5 factorial is all about multiplying 5 by 4, by 3, by 2, and by 1. So when you multiply it down, whatever you get becomes your answer. Now it is used to solve questions like this, question like permutation. Permutation is all about arrangement. Okay, so find the number of permutation of the letters of the word school. It's like saying find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word school. This school is one arrangement. So how do you mix all these numbers together to get different words? So the number of words we are going to get by arranging the letters of the word school is what we call permutation. Okay, now for you to achieve this, you need to count how many letters we have here. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 letters. 6 letters. Okay, now a letter appears twice, and that is O. O appears twice. Okay, so the number of ways, the number of permutation is equals to the total letters, which is 6 all factorial, then divided by those letters that appear twice. How many times do they appear? Which is only one letter appears twice, which is 0. So it appears twice. So because it appeared twice, we are going to divide by 2 factorial. So this 6 factorial means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. So 5 times 6 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 will give us 720, divided by 2 times 1 will give us 2. So when you now divide, your answer will now be what? 360 ways. 360 ways, or 360 ways. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.